Hello friends, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to create this simple part. It's just simple for beginners. I hope you like it. So let's start. So just go to SolidWorks icon on desktop and double click on it and just wait a moment to open SolidWorks. Just wait a moment to open SolidWorks. It's already opened. Yes. It's already opened. So go to File, choose New, and select Part and say OK. Yes. So make plane white. Just select right plane. Yes. Choose line. Start by drawing line through origin. This one. See. Yes. Okay, see this one, and then adjust dimensions. Let's give this one 60 millimeter. Let's give this distance 10 millimeter. So let's assign this one 15 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Okay, assign the length. Assign this length and give it 70 millimeter. So let's adjust this one and give it 40 millimeter. Give this one 30 millimeter. So now my sketch is now fully defined. Just go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. Apply End Condition Midi Plane. So extrude up to 50 distance. Say yes. You see, select this one, this face, normal two. So then go to Sketch Circle. Sketch 2 circle. Yes. Select this one, this circle, hold Control. With this one, add relations of equal. So assign dimensions, give this radius 8 diameter. Give this one diameter of 8 also. So assign distance from this side, this origin up to the side, give it 10. Also assign this distance, make it the same, 10. So give this one 20. Give this also 20. So now my circles are fully defined. So just try to have this shape. See, go to Features, Extrude Cut. Apply End Condition through all. Say yes. So let's try to have this one. Choose right plane. Choose right plane. Normal. choose right plane, a sketch. So then select line, apply this one. You see, try to move backwards in order to have these curves. You see, this one, this is yes. Join this one. You see, so select this arc, hold control of this line, make it tangent. Yes. So assign the dimensions, give this one 10. So assign this one 30 millimeter. So give this distance 95 degrees. So now it becomes full defined. Yes, let's try to complete the sketch. Select line, complete this sketch. You see, comes good. So rotate. So now try to extrude. Pictures extrude. Just rotate to see. So it is extruded through midi point, midi plane. Yes. So assign distance of extrude. Keep 15 distance. So say yes. Select this one, normal. Let's add circle, sketch circle. Sketch circle, assign diameter, give 8. It's now good. So let's extrude cut. Apply end condition to lower. Yes. This yes. You see. So let's select right plane. Normal. Normal 2. So let's add sketch. Choose line. Select this one. You see, try to move backwards in order to have shape like this one. Okay. Say yes. Just complete sketch. So select this one. Hold control with the line. Make it tangent. Assign dimensions. Give this one. Let's keep 30 distance. It's good. So assign this radius. Give it 8. Sorry, give it 80. You see. So let's keep this angle 80. So now my sketch is fully defined. Let's assign circle. Give inside circle. Yes. Assign diameter of 8. 8 diameter 8. Yes. So let's rotate. So rotate and then features extrude. Extrude midi plane. So let's add let's add 20, 30, 25. Let's add 25, 30. Let's add 30. Say yes. So let's just cut this one. Select this one. Normal. Select this one, sketch. Just choose corner rectangle. Okay, assign diameter, give this one 15 millimeter. So keep this distance. Eight 0.5. Yes. Just rotate. So go to features, extrude cut. Rotate to see. Apply blind, then extrude cut up 3 up to 25. Let's see. Say yes. Isometric. So let's add material. Right click, edit material. So keep this one, alloy steel, apply, close. So friends, this is how to design simple part in SolidWorks. I hope you have liked the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.